Let's walk through a rare, newer built Tennessee country house offering luxury level space and a full 5-acre private setting in Riceville. As you arrive, the property immediately gives you that peaceful rural feel. Wide open land surrounds the house with no tight neighborhood setting, just space, quiet, and natural Tennessee countryside all around you. It feels private, open, and designed for someone who wants room to breathe. This is a modern 5-bedroom, 3-bath house with 2,040 square feet of living space built just 5 years ago. That newer construction really stands out because most country properties in this price range are significantly older. Inside, the layout is all one level, which adds a luxury style convenience that many buyers look for. Everything flows smoothly from room to room, giving the house a clean and functional design. The main living area is open and bright, serving as the central gathering space of the house. It connects naturally to the kitchen and dining areas, making it ideal for both daily living and entertaining. With 5 bedrooms, the house offers a high level of flexibility. Whether you need extra space for family, guests, or even a home office setup, the layout easily supports multiple lifestyle needs. The 3 full bathrooms are well distributed throughout the house, giving added convenience for larger households and reducing daily congestion. Each room is generously sized, and because the house is newer, everything feels clean, well-maintained, and move-in ready, with no immediate renovation needed. Now, stepping outside, the property expands into 5 full acres of usable land. This is where the lifestyle really opens up. You have room for outdoor projects, gardening, small farming, recreational use, or simply enjoying the privacy and space around you. The land is mostly open and easy to use, which adds long-term value, whether you plan to expand, build additional structures, or keep it as a private retreat. Overall, this Tennessee property delivers a strong combination of modern construction, functional layout, and usable acreage, giving you that rare balance of comfort and country living in one package.